Hi guys, this is Zsolt. In today's video we are going to check out the Tornador Black RS pneumatic cleaner. I will use it on either on a carpet or a seat or a door panel. We'll see to that. I will put some APC in it, in particular the ADBL APC Typhoon, because that is like not as harmful or not harmful for the lung like some other strong chemicals. Let's roll.
Season we leave behind, another story that's got me blind, got only you on my mind. I couldn't face what I couldn't find, just need to know I need peace of mind. Where are you now? Even though I won't believe it, truth is a lie, we are healing. Even though words are deceiving, you move on. 'Cause every time I try, yeah, every time I dream, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. If you can make me smile, if only for a while, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. Believe in you and me. I'm all alone down the steady road, just full of thoughts about to explode, facing the night. Even though I won't believe it, the truth is a lie, we are healing. Even though words are deceiving, you move on. 'Cause every time I try, yeah, every time I dream, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. If you can make me smile, if only for a while, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. Believe in you and me. I gotta get away from here, I gotta get it through my head, that even though I lost, I'll find something better. I'm running all around this town, this feeling has me stepping down, but I don't wanna have to breathe so much
Turn this up.
Alrighty, boys and girls, that was the Tornador Black. I have to say it was blowing very nicely. The air, also the cleaning solution. From time to time, I had to stop for a short time, but anyway, I was keep wiping the surfaces because the compressor was keep switching on. But it worked much better than the this AliExpress version of these copycat Tornadors or Tornadoes. And yeah, I could do a more thorough job with it, so I can hands-on hard recommend. It's a good stuff. And that concludes the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.